Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to open the weighing machine. So it is Hoffen electronic digital scale. So first let's see all the qualities which is given here. So first it is a quality product made in India. Then there is backlight display, temperature display, slim body, strong tempered glass, wide LCD. If we check on the other side, some more information are given, so let's read what is given. So first is division, graduation, technology, then maximum capacity. Maximum capacity is 180 kg, so I guess that is a lot and I don't think someone needs more than that. Then it is 2 pieces AAA battery which is going to be inserted inside the weighing machine. Then a lower power overload indicator, so it has also overload indicator. Then unit kg, it is going to be in kgs, kilograms, and then auto on. If we check the MRP here, so the MRP is given as 2499, but we received this on Amazon at 899. So there is one more thing, it is customer care address. We can also see it is made in Jaipur. So let's open this. It is gonna be opened from here like this.
You can see this has a very amazing packaging right here.
Oh, I think something wrong.
Yeah,
oh, so it also has
AAA
a
battery.
AAA battery, 2 AAA batteries. You get this with this only. Let's open this. It has really nice packaging. So let's open this. It makes a creaking
You can
noise.
see the whole cover over here has written made in India and everything.
It has the branding even on the cover, as you can see, Hoffen everywhere it is written. First let's see what is all the paper about. So first it is dear customer, so it is about learn how to use the scale in simple steps. I guess all of us knows how to use a weighing machine. If don't, then you can pause and read it. So next is a user manual. So it is a Hoffen electronic digital scale user manual. So you're gonna get it with all the pieces if you buy this. Then this is some more thing. It is Rajasthan Sarkar photocopy something. We're not interested in this right now. So first let's see, here it is Hoffen art of living branding. And there it is written yesterday you said tomorrow. This is some slogan I guess for Hoffen company only. So first of all, as written, like it is having a glass top. Yes, it is glass, and it is actually a good quality of glass as I can see, and it is black in color. If we check on the back side, it is having the grip to keep it on the ground or wherever you want. Here it is weighing instruction for use. This is all the user's instruction. Here we are going to insert this battery, and here it is the customer care number. So I guess we should try that this works or not, or how does this work. So let's insert the battery first of all.
This can even measure your weight in pounds. So if you are convenient with pounds, you can set it by the unit button.
I need to open this. I think I need. Can you bring me a knife to open this?
You can use a pen instead.
Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. We were not expecting a battery to be inside. So we need to check. I guess this is going to be like, sorry, yeah. It's fit.
You can see the
light is already on, and you can see this right here. If we turn this around, okay, so what we need to do to make it turn on, here's a, can I get the user manual of how to use? So guys, it is going to be start from this button, so let's switch it on. Yeah, it is turned on now. Wait, I guess why didn't it turn on? I'm so sorry for the inconveniences. Actually, we put the battery upside down, so we were having some problem. So let's see, this is the switch for turning on and turning off. So when we press it, the light turns on, and now we can measure the weight. So we can check that it is right or not. So first of all, it is showing, I guess I kept my hand, so let's keep my hand first. It is showing, as you can see, I am putting pressure. So if it again comes 0. If again I put my hand, then again it starts showing the weight. If I put pressure, then it again starts making some more things. So you can see it is working very nicely.
This
again
can
it comes
even show
to 0.
your room temperature
This
over
is
here.
also showing the room. Oh wait, I guess it turned off. Wait for a second. Yes, it turned off because if we don't use it for a second, it just turns off automatically. So you can see it is also showing the room temperature 26 degree.
And this will also
then
show your battery level over here.
And here you can change it into kg, pounds and everything, whatever. There are some instructions given in the user manual which you can read. So this works very nicely, and I guess you can buy it, and I can totally recommend you to buy this. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like this. Thank you so much.